Hi and welcome to our Git tutorial. In this video, we'll talk about Introduction to Git. Git is a distributed version control system, DVCS, designed for tracking changes in source code during software development. Created by Linus Torvalds in 2005, Git provides a robust and efficient framework for managing project versions, enabling multiple developers to work collaboratively on the same codebase. Key features of Git include its distributed nature, support for branching and merging, and the ability to maintain a detailed history of changes, making it a cornerstone of modern software development practices. Key concepts and their workflow. Repository, repo. A repository is a storage space for your project. It contains all the files, directories, and the history of changes made to them. There are two types of repositories: local, on your computer, and remote, on a server. Initialize a repository. To start using Git, navigate to your project folder in the terminal and run git init to initialize a local repository. Commit. A commit is a snapshot of your project at a particular point in time. It includes changes to one or more files. Commits help track the history of your project and allow you to revert to a previous state if needed. Add and commit changes. Use git add file name to stage changes and git commit -m inverted comma your commit message inverted comma to save the changes. Branch. A branch is an independent line of development. It allows you to work on features or bug fixes without affecting the main codebase. The default branch is usually named master or main. Create and switch branches. Use git branch name to create a new branch and git checkout branch name to switch to it. Merge. Merging combines changes from different branches. It's often used to incorporate features or fixes into the main branch. Merge changes. After making changes in a branch, you can merge them into the main branch using git merge branch name. Pull and push. Git pull is used to fetch changes from a remote repository and automatically merge them into the current branch. It's a convenient way to update your local repository with the latest changes from the remote. Git push is used to upload your local changes to a remote repository. It's essential for sharing your work with others and keeping the remote repository up to date. Thank you for watching. We hope you found this introduction to Git insightful. If you're eager to take your Git skills to the next level, stay tuned for our upcoming videos where we'll be deep diving into Git commands.